Say goodbye to pet hair everywhere. HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit, your perfect ally for a fur-free home. Tired of finding pet hair on your clothes, furniture, and carpets? Looking for a quick and easy way to remove pet hair and keep your home clean? Discover the magic of the HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit. Imagine a home free of pet hair in a matter of minutes. A happy and healthy pet thanks to regular brushing. Save time and money on expensive visits to the dog groomer. Enjoy more quality time with your furry friend. The HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit allows you to remove pet hair quickly and effectively thanks to its powerful suction. Brush your pet gently and safely with its interchangeable bristle head. Vacuum pet hair on different surfaces thanks to its various accessories. Keep the kit clean and easy to use thanks to its detachable design. Are you worried about the price? Don't worry. The HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit is an investment in your comfort and your pet's health that will give you years of satisfaction. Are you afraid of not knowing how to use it? Don't worry. The kit comes with detailed instructions and is very easy to use. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Take advantage of limited time offers and get yours now. Product link below in the description. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 pet lovers already enjoy the HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit. Listen to what other buyers of this product say. This kit is incredible. It has allowed me to keep my house free of my dog's hair. Maria, owner of a Labrador Retriever. It's the best tool to take care of my cat. It helps me brush him and keep him healthy. Juan, owner of a Persian cat. It is a worthwhile investment. It has allowed me to save money and time. Jennifer, owner of 2 golden retrievers. Not convinced? Look at the opinions of other users on our website. Don't miss this unique opportunity. HEAPETS Grooming Vacuum Kit, your gateway to a cleaner home and a happier pet. What are you waiting for to give your home and your pet a break? To see more videos with new launch products, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.